In Java, we often hear that strings are immutable. Once you declare a string, you cannot change it. But what does that really mean? What does it look like when you're actually writing your code? Let me show you. So here we have a barebone class and I am going to declare two strings. So let's suppose string str equal to hello world and let's name it str1. And now I'm going to declare a second string str2 and I am just going to assign str1 to it. Now, if you print them out, what you would see is they both have the same value. So print out str1 and print out str2. Now run it and you see both of them show hello world. Now let's look at their object identifiers to see if they are really the same object. So we are going to go print system dot identity hashcode str1 and then identity hashcode str2. Now let's run it again and you see both of them have the same identifier, meaning they both are actually the same object. Now watch what happens if I change the value of str1. So let's suppose I change str1 from hello world to say hello people. And now let's try to see what are the object values of our two string variables. Let's run it again. And what you see is the moment I have changed the value of str1, the identifier of str1 has changed. But notice the identifier of str2 is the same as it was before. What this means is the first object that was created when I had declared hello world, that object was being referenced by both str1 and str2, and that is why they were having the same object identifier. But the moment I change the value of str1, the entire string object got replaced with a new one, but str2 still remained the same object. This is what we mean when we say strings are immutable. So if you want to do any kind of change in a string, that means you are effectively creating a brand new object. And that is why the identifier of str1 and str2 gets changed. And you can see the values are also now different for str1 and str2. str1 now holds the new value, but str2 still holds the old value of the old object. Let me show you. So now if I print out the values of str1 and str2, let me separate that with a blank line. What you will see is str1 now has hello people, but str2 is still the same object and it has the same value hello world that we started with. So hope this demonstration helps you understand how exactly strings are immutable and how do you get around them. See you next time.